Today is March the 3rd, 2020. Today's the first day that you would have your camera in Canada if you pre-order the S20. Now, I've got the S20 Ultra. It has a 108 megapixel camera, which is absolutely mind-blowing to even think about. I haven't been this excited about a phone for a very long time. So today will be an unboxing as well as a first impression. So I basically got three toys today. The wireless charger stand, which is at 15 watts. The Buds Plus, the Galaxy Buds Plus is something that you get when you pre-order for free. And the S20 Ultra 5G. So we're not going to really look at the Buds Plus or the wireless charger stand today. We're going to focus mainly on the phone. So let's open this baby up. So I've just set up the fingerprint recognition, so let's test it out. Let's try that again. I'd say the actual BlackBerry Key 2 was a little bit better in terms of responsiveness. Just for comparison. It's always been flawless on the Key 2. Takes just that extra second. So I've opted for the cosmic gray version of the S20 Ultra. The first thing is the size. I was expecting something to be monstrous. Now I'm going to be retiring my BlackBerry Key 2, and comparing the size, it's really not that much, different. In terms of thickness comparing to my Key 2, obviously the Key 2 has a cover on it, but let's remove that. So, in terms of thickness, it's about the same. Maybe the S20 is a little bit thicker, especially with the camera part of it. It's definitely a little bit wider as well. That being said, it's really not that much bigger than I was expecting. And in terms of weight, certainly a little bit heavier than my Key 2, but not particularly that heavy from what I would expected. I've seen numerous reviews on YouTube about the S20 Ultra and how big it was, and I don't find this to be that huge of a phone, but definitely larger than what we've had so far. Now in terms of the screen, it just does look amazing. It's very, very, very responsive. I haven't taken off the sticker on it yet. The face recognition, which I've set up here, is working perfectly. So very impressed with this phone thus far.